Hi everyone! Welcome to this video on how to add music in Canva video. Today, I'll be walking you through two methods that you can use to easily incorporate music into your Canva projects. The first method involves uploading your own copyright-free music, and the second method utilizes the Canva audio app. Let's get started. First, we'll cover how to upload your own music. This is perfect if you already have a track you want to use. Head over to canva.com and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your work log page. Here, you can select a photo from Canva's photo selection and fit it to your page. After fitting the photo, click on Show Pages at the bottom. This will make it easier to edit your pages. On the left-hand side, click on Uploads. This is where you can upload your music into Canva. Select your music file and wait a few seconds for it to upload. Once your music is uploaded, you'll notice that the music length might be longer than your photo duration. To match the lengths, simply expand the photo to the same length as the music. When you're happy with the adjustment, click and drag the music to the bottom of your page and adjust the dimensions as needed. Once everything looks good, play the music to ensure it has been added to your video. The copyright-free music I used is from Upbeat, and you can find the link in the description below. Now, let's move on to the second method, using the Canva audio app. For this method, we'll start again by selecting a photo from Canva's photo selection and fitting it to the page. To use the Canva audio app, you'll need to download SoundRaw from Canva apps. On the left-hand side, click on Apps, then use the search bar to type in SoundRaw and download it into your Canva account. SoundRaw is an audio app that is free for the first 15 uses, after which it costs $2 per use. Once the download is complete, open the app. You'll be prompted to select the style of sounds you're interested in. Choose different beats based on your style and the type of video content you want to create. After making your selections, click Generate. This will take you to the sound selection page, where you can choose the sound you want to use. The app will then ask you to connect your SoundRaw account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. I'll go ahead and sign up for a SoundRaw account now. Once I complete the sign up, it will take a few seconds to load and add SoundRaw to my Canva Pro account. After the download is finished, the music I selected will automatically be added to my image. To ensure the music is fully added to your video, play it back and check. That's how you add music to your Canva videos using two different methods. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.